everyone. In today's video I will be sharing with you the things that I made in August and September. August kind of got away from me, so that's why I didn't do this last month, but I'm going to share those things with you today in this video, so stay tuned. For those of you who don't know, my name is Denise, and I write a blog and have this YouTube channel called Sewlimitless, and I'm also over on Instagram as Sewlimitless as well. So I'm going to share with you what I've done most recently. Got my notes here so I don't forget anything. The first thing I did was this robe. It is blue and white seersucker. It is a very old pattern. It's McCall's 4320. This is what the pattern envelope, I've used it so many times that I have put it in this, but this robe is blue and white seersucker. This one is lightweight enough that I can use it. I think I can use this one most of the year. But next thing I made were these Style Arc Carry cargo pants. It's hard to see them on the hanger. I will put up a picture. They have nice pockets and all that. This is the envelope. That was the next thing. I actually made another pair, and this one was stretch cotton sateen, and I put snaps on the pockets in the back. I always like those back pockets. And on the leg pockets, I actually haven't closed these off yet. I do have a pair of these where I use Velcro, which actually works out really well. The last thing I made for the month of August was this white blouse. This is another very old out of print pattern. McCall's 2094. Basically, this is the pattern that I use for any shirt that style, like the button front with collar. It's very simple styling. I've made this solids and prints. I've used snaps in the front instead of buttons. So you can make it a lot of different ways. So I went ahead and made that. I had the fabric already, and that is, I think it's a stretch cotton also. So that was something that I was glad to have made and gotten that one out of the way. The next thing for September, the first thing I made was this pattern. This is a new pattern. It's New Look 6704. And I made those pants. This pair here, I will put pictures up as I've said. This was like a polyester suiting fabric that I had, and it's nice. The detail on these, they have this nice little button. It's just a little detail that gives it a little bit more interest. They have pockets in the side seams, but yeah, the pants are very nice, and it's a simple, easy pattern to make. Now, the next thing I did in September was this. Basically, it's a self-drafted apron. This was cotton twill, I believe, that I had bought. Just simple ties in the back. Got the D ring on the side. I copied a pattern, or copied an apron that I had, and just made that one. Is this one here? This is a butterick pattern that I modified. It's 5436. This apron here, I just tied this around. You can tie it in the back, but I put 2 pockets on this one. Girl Boss, I do believe, is the name of the fabric, and that I got at Hobby Lobby. But that was another one that I made. One that I made, I do have pictures of it, but I don't have it here because that one sold. But yeah, I've made a few aprons, and putting some of them on Etsy. So my Etsy shop is also Sewlimitless. So you can check that out from time to time. So the last thing that I've made for the month of September, Seamwork Ani pants. I think that's how you say it. This is the pattern. They are tapered pants. They have waistband, pockets in the front, and welt pockets in the back. So I'd say front pleat pants are not really my favorite style, but I really wanted to try these, and I did. I'm glad I did. They fit fine, but it's true that front pleat pants are not my favorite. I know this now for sure. It just adds too much poofiness but there's nothing wrong with the pattern. The pattern is actually, the instructions are pretty good. The instructions are actually good. They are well written and I think easy enough to follow for most people. It's just a style that isn't my favorite. So that is it for this video that goes through my August and September makes. So if you all have patterns that you normally use, you have those TNT patterns, you know, the pattern that you use all the time, let me know what is that in the comments. So please give the video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you like, and you can hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And that's it for this time around. I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.